turbofan engines are generating at about 17,000 pounds of thrust each.
Oh my God. You gotta lead the way.
Let's watch and listen. This is awesome. Somebody take pictures for Airshow Buzz on this. I don't have my camera nearby.